goat remains. Beef jerky. He said, that's mine. It's really cute. And the vision of the man who loves you inside.
Huh? Wat grab that? He says, well, yes, sir.
Scrub, 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 scrub.
$200 spending cash.
Look at perfect. On 95.5 KLOS. Honest.
Louisiana.
Get pissed.
Yeah.
It's green.
Going to that food. Indian Food Express.
Oh, thank you.
The owner is so nice. Gave us free mango shake.
Nice.
Free mango shake.
To go, but no turn on red.
They got perfect chicken masala and goat curry, right?
Yeah.
Curry, spinach. Yummers. Go.
Stay.
Stay. Good boy.
Stay.
Lay
Yeah,
down.
lay down.
Stay. Good
Stay.
boy.
Stay. It's okay.
Lay down.
No. Stay.
Good boy.
Nice, Scruffy.
Good boy.
Scruffy. Good boy. He goes, this is scary. The horn? Stay. Good boy. You gonna stay? Huh? Let's go through the...
Yung mag-ama ko.
Good boy made it.
Nagla yung mag-ama ko.
The big baby.
Scruffy, you're too much. Arte mo? Arte.
We're gonna hit some bumps. This is okay. Oh, yeah.
Wow, he likes the Dada tour. Dada tour.
Sit.
Stay. Good
Good
boy.
Good boy.
Lay down.
Sit. Yeah. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy.
Where'd you get that wagon, man? You're up
You so funny to come down here, Grandma.
Nervous.
Right down and take that package like you were gonna do.
Cutie Pie just chilling. Ay, Cutie Pie, Norman, you. Oh, Norman. You being so sexy right there, posing like that, huh? Good boy. Stay. Koreatown. When did this happen? Clap it. I am stuck in the middle with you.
Tesla truck.
A1 right now. My husband is there to pick up the Italian sandwich we got. I'm just here with the Scruffy, waiting for my son. Ay, gawa po, husband, with a sandwich. With a sandwich. Oh,
Were you there when he said he wasn't?
Tamarina. Scruffy. We made it here and it's too windy. Too windy. Crazy. Roughness. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
4 jets? I said 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Air Force, huh?
Yeah.
Where are they going? Oh. He's gonna duck. Yep. Fishing.
Uh-oh. No, lost a
Oh,
line.
oh yeah, what the heck? I noticed that. Oh, I mean, he got bad line.
Now it's back over. Maybe he has one out over there I can tie, but how am I going to get over there?
Barsha stood on the top.
Native artichoke and torpedo, right?
Pretty good for the heat race, obviously. It's really windy today. It's
Eat.
hot, so there's not
Yes,
much
Scruffy.
can do about it. So
Yes, I'm changing our beddings. Our beddings in the master's bedroom. Alright, it's gonna take me a while to do this. Okay, one down. Gotta put the comforter and the other stuff. It's not easy, guys. Okay, patapos na yung aking pagpalit ng bed sheets. Siyempre, may nauna ng customer. Scrappy! Hoy! What you doing? Ginagawa mo dyan, Scrappy, ha? Talagang naman, inunahan pa kami. Beautiful day, really windy. There's cruise ship going out. Can you hear the wind, guys? The boat rocking. Water. Boats. Neighbors boat rocking. It's too windy. Just had a nice nap. And time for afternoon coffee. Coffee. Okay. Filtering for 5 minutes. Color indicator has been red. It's no longer green. That's when you know it's time to replace this water filter. And this is the new one. Pure. Indicator. It's green. guys, I'm packing up. All of a sudden, we decided to just go home because it's kind of windy and cold, and the internet here in the marina is not working, so we'll just go home. Get ready for church tomorrow for the Easter. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. Happy is not happy.
On the wild side. Down.
Windy. Palm trees dancing. Before you don't see it grassy, but lately it's not.
Big boy. Boober?
Yeah.
Bridge. How is that possible? I didn't even know. You can put apple. Oh, Foster's is closed down. Spicy chicken.
Tapos na. I was trying to put my bracelet on. Made it to church.
Come on, man.
He is risen.
She's sleeping. Maybe not. Some.
Away my sin. What can make me whole again? Amen. And I was singing, why is it? 2, 3. Day 3, Jesus rose.
Kicked me off.
time trying my Instapot after 3 years. Magagamit ko din. Ayan. Nagluluto kasi ako ng pot roast for Easter. Exciting! Ayan yung pot roast. Siniseared muna natin para mag-brown yung both sides. Bango. Seared na yung kabilang side. Another 5 minutes naman para sa kabilang side. Ano for cooking? Ayan. Ating Instapot roast. Ayan. Oh, naamoy na yung pot roast. Ay, kinikilig naman ako dito sa Instapot na to. Pressure cooker. Pwede ka ding mag luto na soup, meat, stew, stir rice, slow cook, saute, rice, oatmeal, bean, chili, yogurt, and thing. Pwede ka din mag-bake dito. Meron siyang attachment for baking. Ang bisita. 2 baby finches, kaya pala may maingay, parang akala namin puno lang na dumidikit sa window, tapos nag-make ng noise. Ano pala, birds. 2 baby finches. Ang cute, diba? Ayan. Cute. Cute ng birdie. Magkapatid siguro sila. Cute. Gosh. Kailangan na siyang i-release. Tama ba? Ako dito, yung steam. Natin. Oh, wow. Look at that. We're gonna eat in the house.
Doesn't matter.